Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'm just going to talk about how I created some chip bags. Really easy, no Cricut, no machines needed except for an inkjet printer. And I suggest you use an inkjet printer when you are making things like chip bags, because they take up so much ink, and with the inkjet printer it's more cost effective to refill the ink, with how much ink you're actually going to use. So you can use any size chip bag. I don't remember exactly what size this was, but you're going to fold that paper over with the chip bag and just close it up with hot glue down the middle and on the top and the bottom. I created this template in Canva, so really easy. You can also do this in Word. You can do this with any type of free software. You can design the chip bags, and this is what, an 8 by 11.5 or whatever size is it, 8 by 11.5 or 8.5 by 11. It's one of those two sizes. I just used the full size of the paper to make the chip bag in. So there's so many different ways that you can close this as well. I just hot glued all the corners, but you can use double-sided sticky tape or whatever you can come up with to be creative to close it up. But it was really quick and easy. You can make so many of these. I made these for my daughter's birthday when she had turned 16. Now, something optional you can get is like a crimper, where you can crimp the ends to make it rigid like it is with a regular piece of not a regular piece, with chip bags. It gives those rigid ends. So that's an option, but you don't have to. It looks good just like this. I mean, they ain't gonna do nothing but tear them up 2.5 seconds later. So there you go. If you like this and you want to see more videos like these, go ahead and like and subscribe. See you in the next video.